G'day, here's a piece of boulder that's been split in half to reveal the opal line. Rules in millimetres, materials wetted. Fortunately with this piece it wasn't a lot of colour, but in saying that, there's a colour bar here that may produce coming through here. So it's a bit of a gamble. The other side's got a little bit of colour just here that runs through here, so might end up with a couple of pieces. Sorry, that's the way it sort of fits together. And then you put it together, you can see where it's come from one to the other. So I'd say you end up with a couple of stones in that. Anyway, we both hope that. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.